Many years ago, man figured out that he could pound things with a hammer instead of a rock. Sometime later, man figured out he could sit more comfortably in a saddle instead of riding bareback. In the early 20th century, man found that starting a car electrically was much more efficient than cranking it manually. And so it goes in 2020. The industrial world is waking up to the dawning of a new age of concrete repair. Slow repairs by cutting out and repouring, quick patch mixes, and epoxies are now a thing of the past. Don't use a rock, don't use a hammer. Use the 21st century's concrete repair method equivalent of a jackhammer. Repair concrete cracks, spalls, joints, potholes, and more with Flash Floor. It's easy to use, super durable, and sets up in 15 minutes. No saw cutting or pot mixing required. Jump out of 1999 repair methods and into 2020 by visiting www.flashfloor.net.